Alright, so today we're going to be learning about logarithmic equations. This is how to solve for the missing variable when given a log term. So I'll start with an easy one. Let's say you are given log base 2 of x equals 4. So what we need to do is we need to cancel out this log base 2 in order to access the x, because the x is actually bound with the log, so therefore we cannot touch it until we get rid of the log on the outside. Now, the way to get rid of a log base 2 is we are going to take both sides of the equations and basically they're going to become exponents. They're going to become exponents and they're both going to be having the same basis. So now, in order to cancel out a log base of 2, you're going to create both sides as exponents with bases of 2. So what happens is that the log base of 2 and the base of 2 cancel out. That leaves you access to the x or whatever else is with the log function. Now on the other side, because it is now 2 raised to the 4th power, 2 to the 4th power is just 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is going to be 16. Therefore, all we need to do is just solve for x, and you are done. Alright, so here's another one. This time I have 2 log base 3 of x minus 5 equals 4. So now notice that the 2 on the outside is not part of what the log base is being taken to, which is the x minus 5 on the inside of the parentheses. So therefore, before I can get rid of this log, I have to get rid of this multiplication of 2. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to divide both sides by 2. That leaves me with log base 3 of x minus 5 equals 4 divided by 2, which is 2. Now that the log, there's nothing else on the outside, there's no more additions, there's no more multiplications on the outside, now I can go ahead and get rid of the log. So now once again, I'm going to take both sides and I'm going to set them as exponents with bases of 3. That way I can get the log base 3 to cancel out with the base of 3. Therefore, I now have x minus 5 equals 3 squared. And then of course 3 squared, we all know that that's just going to be 9, so it's actually x minus 5 equals 9. Solve for x, add 5 to both sides, x equals 14.